dirt tickler.
So, what's up everybody, it's Josh from the Underground Garage. We're back on the twin turbo LS swap Mustang. I did have a problem with the cylinder heads after I ran it there a little bit. I had some coolant coming out between the heads and the block. It turns out I have kind of an odd set of cylinder heads, and your standard MLS or multi-layer steel gasket's not going to work. So I got the right stuff that I needed to fix it. I'll point out the issue on the heads here in a little bit. But for right now, me and this is Tyler. Tyler's from BoostJunkieMedia. That's his channel on YouTube. Be sure you check that out. We're going to go ahead and try to throw this guy back together and get it to where it runs again. Contact!
Oh, hold on. Oh, is this thing replugged?
Yeah.
Okay.
You should. All right, so here's one of my cylinder heads. They're nothing special about them. They have an 862 casting number, very common on the trucks. However, there are a small number of these heads out there that have this notch. So if you've got this little notch, a conventional, your standard multi-layer steel head gasket won't seal right there between these two coolant passages. So it'll leak coolant right there. So I had that going on. I'm going to give a shout out to the WS6 store. He makes these gaskets. This is a multi-layer steel gasket, but it will seal here. He's not paying me or anything. He doesn't know about the channel. The gaskets were 60 bucks or something, and they work for these heads.
One more and you're in business.
Nice. This is that notch.
Oh,
so
right.
you were not allowed. Only Wayne guards are allowed to talk to the camera. So this is that notch right here. And like I said, on the vast majority of your LS heads, this is just flat. They don't have that little notch right there. All right, me and Dr. Ding, we got the car. We think ready to go to a certain extent. We're gonna take the car out and go down the road for the first time ever with the LS twin turbo setup. So wish us luck. Fortunately, North Carolina is on the border of Mexico. So the fact that there are no working lights, no legal license plate, things like that, since we're test driving in Mexico, not a concern.
Here we go, maiden voyage in Walter the Beast. Yeah. Make sure your brakes work before we hit that stop sign.
This is why I needed the big bucks right there.
So if they don't, you can start preparing to hit the parking brake.
See, that's why I needed the big bucks right there, man. Right there. Like, I'm thinking about that as we're entering that living room. That hasn't even crossed my mind.
I'm thinking about that as we are entering the